One of the hardest things about starting a blog is choosing which platform you want to use. There are so many out there, all with their own pros and cons, so today I'm here to try and help make this decision a lot easier for you. I've got a list of the top 5 best platforms out there for starting your own blog, and the first one I want to talk about is one that I'm sure you've definitely looked into because it's one of the most popular website platforms out there, and that's WordPress. WordPress.org is one of the most robust and flexible blogging platforms out there. It can handle any needs a blogger would have. With built-in full site editing, a drag and drop block editor, countless themes and plugins, and page builders like Divi, you can rest assured your blogging site will be easy to design and never lack the functionality you need in the future. Also, since it is so widely used, if there's something you want to do with your blog and don't know how to do it, chances are you can find someone out there who's got a tutorial you can follow. Now, the base platform of WordPress itself is free to use, but you will need to pay for hosting, which can range from various prices, and any premium themes and plugins you want to use may not be free as well. If you want to check out any of the platforms I'm going to talk about in this video yourself, go down into the video description below. There you're going to find links for every single one so you can try them today. If you do decide to make a purchase using these links, we may receive a commission, which does help support our team and all of our ad-free videos. Now, the second one I want to talk about is another major player in the website builder world, and that's Squarespace. Squarespace is an all-in-one website builder and blogging platform that's geared towards e-commerce users. Best known for its eye-catching templates, Squarespace makes it easy to establish an online presence. This alone makes it a super big competitor to WordPress. They offer great value for those without much technical experience that want to be able to integrate social media, sell your products, and customize your site effortlessly. Squarespace also offers a fully functional blog post editing tool with over 45 different modules to choose from, including image galleries, newsletter opt-ins, custom code, and so much more. You can check out Squarespace for yourself for free, and paid plans start at just $23 a month. The third one on this list is Weebly. Weebly is a hosted website builder that can function as a full website or a blog. In fact, Weebly now focuses on a built-in integration with Square, so you can take payments and work as an e-commerce platform to rival Shopify. If that's part of your focus as well as blogging and content creation, Weebly might just be an awesome option for you. Weebly also offers a lot of excellent templates and themes, and has a robust plugin gallery as well. You can try Weebly for yourself for free, and paid plans start at just $13 a month. Number 4 on my list is Wix. Wix is another super popular website builder, and they also offer blogging capabilities. Wix is one of the best platforms out there if you're just trying to make a website or blog incredibly quickly. When you get started with Wix, they offer a really excellent website creation process that gets you up and running extremely quickly. What Wix might lack in some of the more professional features that other platforms have, it makes up for it with its ease of use. It's also fairly inexpensive, and you can try it for free, and paid plans start at just $16 a month. And the final one on this list is Hubspot CMS. Hubspot is a platform that is primarily aimed at marketing agencies, but it does offer great tools for casual blogging as well. They also offer a drag and drop builder, so it's pretty easy to use, and you can choose from a number of different themes in its marketplace. If you're more of a beginner blogger though, this one might not be for you, as some of the advanced features do require some more technical skills, but if you're a marketer that's also looking for a blog platform, this could be a great choice for you. Like the other platforms I talked about, there is a free version you can check out, and paid plans start at just $25 a month. Choosing a best blog platform here was pretty difficult, as they all offer a lot of different features, pros and cons, and have different use case scenarios. But if I were to pick one all-encompassing, all-around good platform, but I wanted to pick my number one based on which is the best platform as an all-around whole solution, so I had to go with Squarespace. Squarespace offers an incredible mix of ease of use, beautiful pages, and high-end professional features, which makes it an excellent choice for almost every use case scenario. It may not be the cheapest platform out there, but you do get what you pay for, and it offers a lot of excellent features. If you're looking for an excellent platform that just lets you focus on your blogging and doesn't take as much work to set up as some of the others, Squarespace might be excellent for you. Now again, if you want to check out Squarespace or any of the other platforms I talked about, go down into the video description below. There you're going to find links for every single one. If you do decide to make a purchase using these links, we may receive a commission, which does help support our team and all of our ad-free videos. Hopefully this video helped you pick a blog platform that's right for you. Let me know in the comment section what kind of tools you're looking for in a blogging platform, and I'll see you in the next video.